cleaning this monstrosity. This is going to be a little bit of a rebuild series of the Traxxas Tmaxx. First, we're going to clean up the gas tank here. See, that's very filthy. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never really taken this mechanism apart. Here's the engine. Extremely filthy. I'm gonna have to take this all apart. I have no idea what I'm doing. So we're gonna start things off and we're going to work on this. But we just need to really wash this off. So maybe get some, I think I'm gonna go get some isopropyl alcohol and use that as well. Now the next video, we're going to take this monstrosity apart. Yeah, that should be fun. I've never really worked. I never had this engine out of the Tmaxx. It's been in there for 4 years, never taken it out. Reason why I took this apart, because my starter motor kind of burned out. Did a little short video on that. That got a lot of views. So, let's take production over to the sink. Hot water going. Okay, so we got that. Next, we gotta clean the chassis. This is the starter assembly. I'm gonna clean this next, but off camera. I'm gonna give these gears a clean as well. Clean this too. But first I'm gonna let the alcohol soak in. Screws are coming loose there. Alright, so got chassis clean, got these parts clean here pretty much. This is clean. Got the starter box housing assembly clean. I'm gonna wait on the gears. Still don't know what to do about this motor, and this will be in next video. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next episode.